way. So last night we were getting fucking hit with some tornadoes. God damn. But I got some footage with my GoPro. Just a disclaimer before before I show the footage. It was like 10:30 once the sirens started going off. So it was dark outside, so I don't know exactly how much you can see of the storm. And I was also drinking at the time, so I don't really know how great my camera work is while intoxicated. I guess here's some of the little highlights that I got on camera, at least. Oh, it's starting to rain now. If anything bad comes, it's coming from over there.
Yeah.
There's like nothing that way.
Nope.
It's raining a little bit. I was getting super windy.
Yeah, it's coming from that way now.
Yeah, it's coming from that direction. Oh, that rain is getting big.
I'm going inside. That he's just taking my eyeball.
Oh, there go the sirens again. It's been going on for maybe an hour now. They've been turning on, then turning off, and then immediately turning back on. But as you can see, it was you could hear the sirens going off, and it was getting windy, and apparently there were tornadoes all around me, but I couldn't see any of them. Goddamn. Oh, I think that's from the storm, because that tree just straight up is cracked over. Oh yeah, they got people out there trying to take care of it. Oh wow. Yeah, these guys are trying to clean everything up. Yeah, because that shit's not cut right there. That was ripped straight out of the ground. They're trying to cut all this up and clean it up. There were a couple big ass trees out there that were just fucking straight ripped out of the ground. What the fuck is that? It's like somebody's door. Tulsa County Sheriff, that's where I need to go. Well, that was painless. They had a sign that said seatbelts required beyond this point. Joke's on them, I don't have a seatbelt. So anyway, my grandpa, about 40 years ago, used to work at this old Coca-Cola factory out in Okmulgee. And it was always rumored to be a haunted building. It's a really old building, and I believe it's still there. At one point, while he was there, one of the workers there ended up falling into one of the machines and getting killed. So I guess the next morning after that incident, my grandpa was going into work. He gets there and he realizes he forgot his keys. Before he could turn around to go home to get them, the door that he was supposed to unlock, it's like a big overhead door. He said all of a sudden it just opened up, like on its own. It opened up about like just a couple inches, just enough for him to get his fingers under there to open the door up to get inside. And he got inside and there was nobody in there. There was nobody in the factory at all. I think it'd be safe to assume that dude that got killed by one of the machines was looking after the rest of the workers. And I think that's pretty cool. I mean, it's very spooky, but at the same time, it's actually really cool. Oh, I spy an orange Lambo. That was awesome. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this motovlog. If you did, feel free to leave a like. And I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for more naders.